Let's go.
Let's go, boys. Let's go.
Eto na. Alam mo, strong finish.
Ito na.
Could really help for both men.
Here we go.
Nakita mo si Casimiro, si Mesias kay Sultan. Let's get it on.
Okay. Buhol ang dalawang fighters. Inihiwalay ng referee. Okay, we have Casimero's camp signaling him to go forward.
Oh, good. Right. Good series of shots. At napayakap si Sultan.
Important to the judges kasi yung last 3 minutes, di ba?
Oo.
How you finish the fight.
At yung mga suntok ni Sultan, di ba hammer fist eh? Crowd chanting Zoro, Zoro, but it's Casimiro who's taking charge. So far,
He should, He has more experience. Oh, yung laces ni Zoro, untied. Oh,
trabaho referee dito. Yes,
oh, hindi niya
hindi
nakikita.
napansin.
Yung tali ng sapatos ni tali ng sapatos ni Zoro. Naku, dangerous
Time out, time out.
Time out.
Delikado yan sapagkat baka si Matizod, ganun din naman si Casimiro. Dati loose tape sa gloves.
Here we go, here we go.
Laces.
Speed it up, gentlemen. Good job.
Yung sintas. Tinatawag natin.
So who will earn the right to fight Jerwin Ancajas for the IBF World title?
Well, in 90 seconds, magkakaala mo na because right now, it appears this fight is going to go the distance.
Tama. Nako.
Very close fight, although unofficially, tingin ko lamang yung Casimiro. Sultan must go all out. You want to make this fight interesting.
Okay, he's got a minute left. 60 seconds left.
Wala siyang balanse.
Oo, eh.
That's the problem diyan with this boy. Kailangan konting balanse, no? Sayang kasi may knockout power eh. Nakikita natin eh. Pero yung proper delivery ang kailangan na ma-master. Gigil yung kasi Sultan pero
30 seconds.
left by Casimiro. Another left hook by Casimiro. Sultan, 10 seconds. The crowd egging on both men.
So we are going to the scorecards.
Ang galing na mangyayari.
Malaman natin kung sino ang wagi sa fight na to. Both fighters